is your head spinning too?
What's up guys, we're back at the shop today. Today we're going to be working on the KZ and trying to build a battery tray for this. So my plan is to take and cut this sheet of metal and weld it up to the bottom of the frame here to create the battery tray. But first we got to take all this out. Alright, so now that all that's off, I gotta go through and cut all these tabs and everything off that I don't need. And then the metal tray is gonna weld to the bottom of this and go all the way around to here. So now I'm gonna take this piece of cardboard and trim it all up, trace it all out to fit in underneath all of this here, and then we'll lay it on that piece of metal that I showed you and cut it all out and then tack it up underneath everything. Alright, so I got the metal plate in place. I'm not as happy with it as I would like to be. Part of the problem is I bought the wrong bit for the jig, or the wrong blade for the jigsaw. I wasn't even thinking. I accidentally went in there and bought one for Sawzall. But anyways, it fits in there. It looks kind of shoddy, but I think it'll be alright. I was having problems with the wire feeding last time I welded. It kept getting stuck, so I went ahead and bought new contact tips and then a new welding nozzle. So hopefully it goes a little better this time. But I was only able to find one clamp, so we'll have to make do with that too. But now we're gonna go ahead and tack it up. Well guys, camera died. But the tray's welded in. I gotta admit, it really didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to. I just spent the last little bit grinding this up. I think I'll wait till I tear down the bike and then I can flip the frame over and finish grinding all that. I'm gonna clean this place up. I think next video will probably be tear down and paint prep for the frame. I think that's what will be the video. Do me a favor and in the comments, let me know if you think I should keep the factory foot pegs or if I should do rear sets on this. And the other thing I'm thinking about, I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the video, is doing a Gixxer front end swap. Let me know what you guys think about that. Help me out with some ideas, and we'll see you in the next video.